Okay, we're going to mix some shades now. Shades are traditionally, the formal definition in art of a shade is a color plus black. But in the art department, I would like you to start thinking about using other colors than blacks to mix your shades. The best place to start would be a complementary color. And we'll talk more on block day about complementary color. But what you should have learned in your elementary and middle school experience in art is that complementary colors are colors that are opposing each other on the color wheel. So the opposite of blue is orange, the opposite of green is red. With these, we're going to make sure we start again with the darker value. So if I have blue and orange, which one's darker, folks? In value, the blue should be is really the darker one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a layer of blue down. This time I'm not going to put that layer of blue down really rich or really opaque. I'm going to put it down sort of with a semi-firm pressure. Then I'm going to come back with the same with the orange, and I'm going to put in that film of orange with a semi-firm pressure. Sort of light, really, because I want to be able to control how much I introduce. And what I'm going to do is mix my first shade, and this is going to be my first darker value. Now I'm going to come back with my blue and start to mix the orange and blue together. If you have green and red, which one is darker or lighter? I should say, which one is lighter, green or red? The green. So you'll put the green down first. You're going to have to be very, very careful with your red because that red will really overpower it very quickly. A good suggestion might be, and I think I'll do this right now and just skip right to my end shade. It might be a good experience for you to just start back here and actually mix the darkest one first. So if I'm starting with blue here, the green people would start with their green here. We'll mix in the orange, or the green people will mix in the red. And this would be probably your best bet to start here, because then you can see just how dark it will get. And you won't get too dark with that first one. Because ultimately what we're looking for is a value scale that goes from light to dark. As I come back, I'm going to start pushing harder to get these to mix. And now I'm going to come in with more orange. And I'm going to mix this darker shade. So it's not that we can't use black. We will use it at times, but we're kind of pick and choose when we use it, because using other colors to mix our shades will mix a much more warm and rich, layered, dark value. Okay, I'm going to just cheat and jump ahead by grabbing this other one and showing you what it would look like with the shades in blue, with orange, and the shades with green and red. So we're looking to try to create those transitions in between. All right? I would suggest maybe we start with your darkest one and work your way back.